Like all batteries, 12-volt car batteries will drain over time. To keep your battery in top condition, using a high-quality 12-volt battery charger is essential. Today, we'll explore how to use 12-volt battery chargers effectively and recommend the best options from CTEK. Using a 12-volt battery charger is straightforward, especially if you're using a CTEK. Let's take a look at how you should prepare. Choosing the right charger. First, ensure that your charger is compatible with your battery type. Most cars have different types of lead-acid batteries, such as wet, gel, or AGM. But today, lithium batteries are becoming increasingly popular. Make sure your charger is suitable for the chemistry of your battery. Preparing the battery. Before connecting the charger, inspect the battery for any damage or leaks. Ensure the terminals are clean and free of corrosion. If necessary, clean the terminals. Connect the charger. Before turning the charger on or connect it to a power outlet, attach the red positive clamp to the positive charge point in your vehicle or on the positive terminal of the battery. Then connect the black negative clamp to the negative or ground jump start point or a suitable ground point on the vehicle chassis. Do not connect directly to the battery terminal. When you've done this, go ahead and connect the charger to the power outlet. Select the charging mode. If your charger has multiple charging modes, such as normal, AGM, or lithium, choose the appropriate mode for your battery. If you don't know what type of battery you have, using the adaptive CS1 charger, you can simply attach it and the charger itself will figure out what kind of battery you have and adapt accordingly. Monitor the charging process. Most chargers will indicate the charging status through LED lights or a digital display. CTEK chargers provide clear indicators for each stage of the charging process, or how long you have left until fully charged. If you're not able to monitor the charging process, it's not a problem. If you're using a CTEK charger, it can be left on for long periods of time without the risk of overcharging. Disconnect the charger. Once the battery is fully charged, unplug it from the power outlet and remove the negative clamp followed by the positive clamp. What 12-volt battery charger to choose? CTEK is constantly chosen by the best. And if you have any CTEK charger, you can be assured you have a top quality product that is both safe and easy to use. But here are 4 popular picks. MXS 5.0. The CTEK MXS 5.0 is a versatile and user-friendly charger, suitable for most car and motorcycle lead-acid batteries. It features automatic temperature compensation, ensuring optimal charging in all weather conditions, and also has a dedicated reconditioning mode to revive deeply discharged batteries. CS1. The world's most technologically advanced battery charger that is also the easiest to use. The CS1 has no buttons to push or modes to select, but automatically recognizes the type of battery you're using and delivers a customized charging program. Polarity-free clamps ensure you don't need to worry about which clamp goes where, eliminating the risk of incorrect connections. The CS1 works on both lead-acid and lithium batteries. MXS 10. For those needing a more powerful charger, the CTEK MXS 10 offers a 10 amp charging capability. This charger is ideal for larger lead-acid batteries and can handle more demanding charging tasks. It includes a range of charging modes and an easy-to-read display, making it perfect for both professional and personal use. CT5 Time to Go. The CT5 Time to Go is perfect for users who want precise control over their charging time. It features a countdown indicator showing exactly when the battery will be fully charged. This chargeable is suitable for all types of 12-volt lead-acid batteries and is exceptionally user-friendly. Using a 12-volt battery charger is essential for maintaining your car battery's health and performance. By following the correct procedures and selecting the right charger, you can extend the life of your battery and avoid unexpected failures. If you have any further questions, please leave them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.